It burns, and yet it rises. From ashes to sky. From death to rebirth. This is the phoenix. 7 undisputed facts about the phoenix bird. Part 1. 1. It rises from its own ashes. The phoenix doesn't die like ordinary creatures. It ignites, and from the ashes of its destruction, it is born again. 2. It symbolizes resurrection and hope. More than myth, it's a message of transformation, of starting over. When everything falls apart, the phoenix reminds us it's not the end. 3. It exists across cultures. Egypt called it the Bennu. The Greeks, phoenix. The Chinese, Fenghuang. Different names. Same legend. A firebird that never truly dies.